The actual lyrics to this diss track. I don't think I'll ever get over it. If you don't know me, I'm to the B. Coming in hard, you better watch it. Sophie, I think you're the only girl doing grind. I'm to the B, says that in line. Coming in hard with my bars. Sophie, Akron is about to get on. Read your bars off your iPhone 4. I don't do that shit, I do it all for. Got lit by little T. Now you're getting lit by me. You shout that loud, you're a little scat. You heard your bars, I fucking pat. Yeah, that's what you're on. I listen carefully to my sick bars. They scream my name like yo, yo, yo. Sophie, yeah, you're a little whore. Looking at the face with a touch you contour. You want me to end you a blender? I'm being serious, I'm not trying to offend you. Sophie, yeah, you should stick to singing. Cause when you spit, my ears are ringing. How can you shout that loud? Is your fanny not singing? I bet your fanny's fucking ringing. See, y'all tripping. I need to go smoke.
Don't worry, I'll be back again tomorrow.
So, does he not go to the bathroom? Or does he just hold it in all night?
I used him to a cup. I've seen him do it with Fiona. We were both DJ Sabe on the mix. Son, where'd you find this?
Okay, it's childish, can't be no older, dropping like a NASDAQ. Move white girls like it's poke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, do that shit, we run it, beat it.
Okay, put your fucking hands up, just a fucking anthem. Smiling cause I'm young, rich, black, and I'm handsome. Not to mention wealthy, ass on a healthy. Young millionaire, what the fuck can you tell me? Smell me? Nigga, that's Chanel cologne. I'm in Europe with the tourists with no...
Sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Come me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. I can be your cherry apple pick, I know your key lime. Baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got. Going downhill, it's wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm turned as fuck. I left my pizza in the oven, that bitch burnt as fuck. I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go. I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go. I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go. Rule number one, if it's doubt me, at me so I can see. Rule number two, if you heard shit that ain't come to me, then don't believe it. Cause I hate a bitch that like to post shit, but before you see it, she delete it. Or when you come to her, she gets switching up. Like, girl, I ain't even really need it. So when I catch you lacking, don't say shit. Prepare your ass. Her bed like, Jordan, hot in the coupe and skirt. Am in the cool like swearing, swearing. Damn, gotta have pop that perk. Good morning. Today is a wonderful day. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. I rock you like a timepiece. I go straight to VIP. I never pay for my drinks. My uncle is behind me. Little Sally Walker walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she jumped in front of me. Little Sally Walker walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she jumped in front of me. I said, go on, girl, for your. Service announcement. Just know if one of my videos made you uncomfortable, from somebody told me that, I guess I did my job. You say the coolest words, you just to break my heart, because I'm over here working my ass off. I just wanna make you feel good.
She told me that she loved me, so I had to cut her off. I don't love no bitch, so I will never love a thought. I have what I want, give a fuck. Run them hands. Okay, go hit the folks with it. Drop, then get low with it. Millie rock, I'm stupid. Fly to the nay-day, then you roll with it. Boss, you ugly. Teach me how to dug it. Do the boy birdie, then you shoot with your buddy. A rich 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type. That's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. I'm a body all night. A rich 8. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, throw my raps on the facts, they sad with the bars. I got
Dick like toffee, sip like coffee, wait, change your mind and drop me love. To hate me crazy, shady, spit me all like hot wasabi. Lick me up, I'm sweet and salty, mix it up and down my body. Love to hate me, praise me, shame me.
Oh my god. I'm in so much. I'll get up. Get on the fucking bite, damn it.
I got it pretty like a girl. And he got vice towards the girl. See both sides like a girl. See on both sides like.
I don't know if this trend's been done with tattoos yet, but let's give this one a go too. Show me your first tattoo, your most painful tattoo, your most meaningful tattoo, your biggest tattoo, your smallest tattoo, and possibly your favorite tattoo.
I can't believe there's a camera in my store. I can't see where it's at, but it sees me somewhere.
Like in this American boy, American boy.
I got it pretty like a girl. And he got vice towards the girl. See both sides like a girl. See on both sides like a girl.
And I said, I'm looking for Mrs. Bubblegum. I'm Mr. Chico Stick. I wanna da-da-da, oh, cause you so
Bad days made 100 good stories. 100 good stories make me interesting at parties.
100 bad days made 100 good stories. 100 good stories made me interesting at parties, yeah. No.
Hey, of course to live like this, you hear me? Uno, dos, no tres, ya tato. We got bitches second last in a lotto. Big top knocking nigga out zapatos.
Sugar when you're peanut butter, that sweet spot. Come me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. I can be your favorite apple pick, I know your key line. Baby, I got everything and so much more.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like
So I almost had a doctor's appointment today, and so I had to hit my vape cart while I was on the phone, which was a bad decision because then the nurse goes, "You have COVID," and I go, "No, I don't. It was just actually because I hit my medical marijuana vape cart." And she goes,
I talked to the doctor. You can ring him now. Come on.
Of like a green screen, if you did buy like a green fucking background one day, which you easily can, I really think it'll help you because you just do so much on the internet that like there's no reason you shouldn't have the precision of a mouse and be able to just type away on a keyboard as fast as possible.
Break a nigga into pieces, had to eat some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive, I don't shop on Insta boutiques, all the middle ass clothes only fit fake boots. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. I feel like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the man, so you bad.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go crazy.
Go stupid, you smart like an A+ student.
I'm good.
Close off because it's the internet. I can do whatever I want. Here we go. I do that because it's the internet. I don't give a fuck about you, baby. On the internet. I'm on the goddamn motherfucking internet. Hey, look at me. I'm on the internet. See me. I'm walking around on it.
I ain't gotta get naked for no tennis bracelet, but I need 20 bands for a fucking anklet. He gave me neck, now I got the tech. These bitches only want that bitch cause they her future said. I lost.
You can do anything you want when you don't. With it, drop.
So I keep seeing people do really, really cool tours of like different items that they own. And unfortunately, until I move, all my items are in storage. But I do have this one item that might be kind of intriguing to people. Keychains. This really isn't that many keychains because I have a whole purse collection as well with keychains on it. So if you want to see the purse collection, comment down below and I'll do that. But we have our Neopets. Does anybody remember this game? It's a keychain. 2 dino keychains. I made this one. This one does that. A vintage Furby one and a little squisher. The Bath and Body Works game. Some flashback vintagey ones. This one I made. He's pretty sweet. Care Bears, gotta love them. I just found these and picked them up the other day. 2 Hungry Hippos.
Call it Captain Hook. Ay, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. Ay, yeah, bitches poppin', I do what they copy. Ay, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he. Look how I think Moto likes you. I like him joking, I like him big, I like him pumping, I like him real, with something. She got a piercing and she even got some tattoos, and you can bring her everywhere because she mad cool. No strings attached, keep it casual, and when you don't text back, she don't get mad at you. She keep it chill, don't never cop an attitude, even when it disappears. One shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Take that bottle to the head. One fucking more. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3. Oops, my heart went. Park your U-Haul, baby, cause I'm moving it.
Like I should. When in circle, walk around the neighborhood. Tell me with the way. Baby, come give me something.
I'm moving too fast.
Got the on that ass. Bitch, I'm on your ass. Why is everything chrome? Baby, you got me feel like a first time boy in this bitch.
Yes! That took me an hour.
It's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, then I pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. So you got this sack, I got this sack, but ain't no ones of mine. Nope. My little bitch say I'm getting too booed. I don't need like dozens of mine. Alright, in the studio, turn out the window, clear it out. Bitch, he wanted beef in the parking lot. My niggas dogs and we parking lot. Touch this. Touch this.
Merry Christmas, Nan.
Watch you knock this on.
Nan, tell them you don't hate me. You're not in the video. It's my face. Tell them you don't hate me.
Why would I hate you?
Because you looked mad in the background. Tell them you don't hate me.
I have arthritis.
Can't take big dick, but I suck on it. I ain't fucking with a pussy, got a bump on it. Bad bitch with a pussy on me. Whip out my dick, then I hump on it. I'm a badass bitch, what you looking at? I'ma throw that back like a Cadillac. I don't care how you thought, I'ma handle that. I'ma break this bitch, this better. Yo, open up, man. What do you want, man? My girl just caught me. Did they catch you? I don't know how that thing happened. Listen, the girl next door, you know? I don't know what to do.
I'll eat you up. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.